Hi, this is Sohail from EPR Magazine, and we are here at Intersolar Expo at the Vsole booth. We have Mr. Sagar Sojitra. He is a founder chairman of the company, and we will try to understand what is going on in Vsole Solar. Welcome, sir. Very welcome to you. Sir, to start with, if I ask, what is the current scenario of the solar inverter industry? So, what would you respond?
So today inverter industry will be growing very fast across the pan India. Today solar industry are like growing in home, industry, even mall, institute. These all are help with the awareness with the policy from the government support. So today people are like not only just focusing on the cheaper price, they are also focusing how about quality product manufacturing. So today industry is going very fast in across the pan India.
Sir, if I ask how far Vsole has reached, what would you respond?
So at Vsole are like strongly growing across the pan India and reach from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And today we are developing our solar module, even the solar inverter across the pan India. We are like more focused on how product will be manufacturing quality good, and how we can give service best, and how fastly we are supplying and give the service to our solar industry.
Okay, sir.
So in Intersolar we are showcase here on-grid inverter, then hybrid inverter from 3 kilowatt up to 80 kilowatt, then all-in-one inverter. So then again solar battery, even one more most important product, that is a solar module.
Okay, sir. One last thing, your message to the industry from Vsole.
So I just inform all the EPC player, even the industry, choose that type of the product that is a more reliable and long life product. So that is most important. So you check which company are how they are manufacturing smarter way, and for the how based on the Indian grid they are develop, and which support and which knowledge they have. So I just inform all the EPC player before the choose any product of the solar industry. Check the in detail how that product will be long life, and how support will be received from that manufacturing company.